The United Nations, established to promote peace and security worldwide, faces numerous challenges that undermine its effectiveness. A critical challenge lies in its limited enforcement power. Although the UN can pass resolutions, it lacks the authority to enforce them. Implementation relies heavily on member states, leading to frequent instances of inaction and unmet goals. The disparity in commitment among countries further exacerbates this issue, making it difficult to achieve consistent progress on global initiatives. Bureaucratic inefficiencies within the United Nations significantly contribute to its perceived failure. The organization's vast and intricate structure often results in sluggish decision-making processes. Layers of bureaucracy slow down responses to crises, making the UN appear ineffective in addressing urgent issues swiftly. The delays not only tarnish its reputation, but also impede the timely resolution of crises. From humanitarian aid distribution to conflict intervention, political rivalries among member states, particularly within the Security Council, pose another daunting challenge. Geopolitical tensions often lead to deadlocks in decision-making, making it difficult to reach a consensus on crucial matters. The veto power held by the 5 permanent members can stall initiatives and hinder collective action. These political standoffs can prevent the UN from playing a proactive role in global crises, limiting its influence and effectiveness. Resource constraints are a further significant barrier to the UN's success. Many of its agencies operate with limited funding, which hampers their ability to execute programs efficiently. Financial shortfalls can affect everything from peacekeeping operations to humanitarian aid, reducing the impact of the UN's efforts on the ground. Resource allocation is often a contentious issue, with differing priorities among donor countries influencing where the money goes. This can lead to an uneven impact across various global issues. Despite some notable successes, the inconsistency of the United Nations achievements fuels perceptions of failure. Peacekeeping missions that end in prolonged conflict or fail to protect civilians cast a shadow over the organization's successes. While the UN has made significant contributions in areas like health and education, these accomplishments are often overshadowed by high-profile failures, leading to skepticism about its overall effectiveness. The scope of global challenges such as climate change, pandemics, and mass displacement necessitates coordinated efforts that the UN often struggles to achieve. These issues require a unified approach and expansive collaboration between nations, which is difficult in practice. The complexity and scale of these problems can overwhelm the UN's current capacity, rendering it less effective in offering sustainable solutions. Collectively, these factors contribute to the challenging landscape within which the United Nations operates, shaping the perception of its failure among international observers.